to invest in annuities for beginners. Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Are you new to the world of investing and wondering how to secure your financial future? Annuities can be a great option for those looking to build wealth and plan for retirement. However, they can seem overwhelming and confusing to beginners. That's why we've created this simple and informative guide on how to invest in annuities. Whether you're a young professional or approaching retirement, understanding the different types of annuities and how they work can provide you with the tools you need to create a solid retirement plan. So let's dive in and learn more about how to invest in annuities. 1. What exactly are annuities? Imagine you're planting a financial garden and you're looking for a seed that promises to bloom year after year, providing you with a steady stream of income during your retirement years. Enter annuities, the perennial favorites of the financial world. Annuities are essentially contracts between you and an insurance company. You pay them a lump sum or series of payments, and in return, they promise to pay you a regular income either immediately or at some point in the future. Think of an annuity as a reverse life insurance policy. Instead of paying out upon your passing, annuities are designed to support you while you're alive, offering financial security and peace of mind during your retirement years. This financial instrument is like a safety net, ensuring that you don't outlive your savings by providing a consistent income stream. Annuities come in various shapes and sizes, each with its unique features tailored to different investment objectives and risk appetites. Some annuities offer a fixed return, providing a predictable income, much like the steady growth of an oak tree. Others, known as variable annuities, are tied to the performance of certain investments, like the stock market, offering the potential for higher returns, akin to a rose that blooms in the right conditions, but requires more care and attention. In essence, investing in an annuity is like adding a perennial plant to your financial garden. It requires an upfront investment, but once established, it can provide you with a reliable source of income, helping to ensure your financial soil remains fertile and supportive year after year. 2. Types of annuities. There are 3 different types of annuities you can choose from: fixed annuities, indexed annuities, and variable annuities. Before you get an annuity, you need to make sure you understand the different types and fees. A. Fixed annuities. In the verdant landscape of financial opportunities, fixed annuities stand as the sturdy oaks, offering a sense of reliability and stability. When you opt for a fixed annuity, you're essentially locking in a guaranteed interest rate for a specified period. This means no matter how the financial winds blow, your investment grows at a steady, predictable pace, much like the reliable growth of an ancient tree. With a fixed annuity, you make either a single payment or a series of payments to the insurance company, and in return, they agree to pay you a fixed amount on a regular basis. This could be for a set number of years or for the rest of your life, depending on the terms of your contract. It's akin to planting a seed in your financial garden and knowing exactly what type of plant will grow, regardless of the season. For those who prefer to tread on a path of certainty, avoiding the unpredictable fluctuations of the market, fixed annuities offer a safe harbor. They are especially appealing to individuals nearing retirement who value the assurance of a stable income in their golden years over the potential for higher, yet riskier, returns. Investing in a fixed annuity is like building a financial dam. It safeguards your future income from the sometimes tumultuous rivers of the economy. The variable annuities. In the botanical garden of investment opportunities, variable annuities are akin to the exotic orchids that flourish under the right conditions. Unlike their sturdy, reliable counterpart, the fixed annuity, variable annuities introduce an element of risk and potential reward, as their performance is tied directly to the financial markets, such as stocks or bonds. When you choose a variable annuity, you're essentially selecting a bouquet of investment options for your portfolio, with the potential for growth mirroring the unpredictable, yet sometimes spectacular, blooming of these financial orchids. With variable annuities, your payments to the insurance company are invested in a selection of funds, and the income you eventually receive depends on how well these investments perform. It's a journey through a financial jungle where the paths you choose can lead to lush, thriving growth or to areas of unexpected challenge. This option is particularly enticing for those who have a longer time horizon until retirement and a higher tolerance for risk, as it offers the opportunity to outpace inflation and increase the potential income in retirement. However, just like the meticulous care required to cultivate a thriving orchid, variable annuities demand a proactive approach to manage and understand the risks involved. They invite the investor to engage actively with their financial future, making informed choices to navigate the ever-changing landscape of the market. See indexed annuities. In the flourishing garden of annuity options, indexed annuities emerge as the adaptable perennials that thrive under a variety of conditions, providing a balance between stability and growth. These financial hybrids draw their energy from the performance of a specified stock market index, such as the S&P 500, blending the potential for higher returns with a safety net to protect against the downside. Imagine indexed annuities as the hardy dailies of your investment garden. They promise the sunlit potential of market upswings, while safeguarding their roots against a frosty decline. When you invest in an indexed annuity, you're not directly participating in the stock market. Instead, your returns are tied to the index's performance, subject to a cap on maximum gains and a floor that protects against losses. This means if the market soars, your returns can bloom within the set limits. However, should the market dip, you'll have the comfort of knowing there's a safety layer in place to minimize the impact, ensuring your financial garden remains resilient through economic seasons. Indexed annuities stand out for those seeking a middle ground in their retirement strategy, offering a compromise between the predictable, steady growth of fixed annuities and the vibrant, variable returns of their market-tied counterparts. They cater to investors desiring growth potential without stepping fully into the unpredictable currents of market investments, embodying the spirit of flexibility and protection in their financial planning. 3. Variable annuity fees. Navigating through the verdant maze of variable annuities, one must also be mindful of the thorns along the path. Variable annuity fees. These fees are the gardener's tools that tend to your investment, ensuring it has the chance to flourish. Yet, they can also dig into your potential earnings if not carefully considered. There are several types of fees associated with variable annuities, including administrative fees, mortality and expense risk charges, and fees for additional features, such as enhanced death benefits or guaranteed minimum income benefits. Each of these fees serves a purpose. Administrative fees cover the cost of account maintenance, while mortality and expense risk charges compensate the insurance company for insuring the account against death or other risks. Additional feature fees, meanwhile, are akin to opting for premium fertilizer to boost the health and potential yield of your financial garden. However, it's crucial to balance the cost of these fees with the benefits they provide. Excessive fees can erode the growth of your investment, much like overwatering can drown a delicate plant. As you explore the vibrant world of variable annuities, equip yourself with the knowledge of these fees, allowing you to make informed decisions that nurture and maximize the potential of your financial garden. 4. How to buy and sell annuities. Venturing into the annuity market is akin to navigating the diverse ecosystems of a grand botanical garden, each pathway offering different vistas and experiences. To embark on this journey, the first step is to consult with a financial advisor or an insurance agent who specializes in annuities. These seasoned guides can help you understand the intricate landscape of annuity products, aligning your financial goals with the right type of annuity, whether it be fixed, variable, or indexed. Purchasing an annuity often begins with a thorough assessment of your financial soil, your current income, savings, and retirement goals. This groundwork is crucial as it determines the size of the annuity investment and its intended purpose in your overall retirement strategy. Once you've selected the annuity that best suits your financial garden, the process of buying generally involves completing an application and transferring funds to the insurance company. Selling an annuity, on the other hand, is a different trail altogether. It may involve surrender charges or other penalties, especially if you decide to sell before the surrender period expires. In some cases, you might or may consider an annuity exchange under the 1035 exchange provision, which allows for the transfer of annuity funds without immediate tax consequences, provided certain conditions are met. Each step of buying and selling annuities requires careful consideration and planning. With the right preparation and guidance, you can navigate this complex terrain, ensuring your financial garden flourishes throughout your retirement years. 5. Advantages of annuities. Stepping into the world of annuities unveils a treasure trove of benefits tailored for the astute investor. Among these, the promise of a guaranteed income stream stands as the crown jewel. Like a well-tended vineyard that yields a consistent harvest year after year, annuities offer the peace of mind that comes from knowing your financial needs will be met regardless of market vicissitudes. This reliability is a beacon for those seeking a stable financial future, especially in retirement when a steady income is more than a luxury, it's a necessity. Moreover, the tax-deferred growth of annuities represents fertile ground for your investments to flourish. Without the immediate tax obligations that often accompany other investment vehicles, your money can grow unhindered, like a seedling freed from the shade of towering weeds. This allows your savings to compound over time, potentially leading to a more bountiful harvest when it's time to draw income. Annuities also offer a customizable investment experience. Whether you prefer the sure-footed path of fixed annuities, the dynamic potential of variable annuities, or the balanced approach of indexed annuities, there's an option to suit every type of investor. This versatility ensures that you can tailor your annuity to fit your unique financial landscape, planting the seeds for a prosperous and worry-free retirement. 6. Disadvantages of annuities. Venturing deeper into the annuity garden reveals some areas overshadowed by complexity and constraint. Annuities, while offering a plethora of benefits, carry with them certain drawbacks that the discerning investor should consider. Firstly, the commitment to an annuity is akin to planting a perennial that demands years to mature. This long-term investment reduces liquidity, making it challenging to access your funds without facing steep surrender charges, especially in the early years. It's like finding your path blocked by dense foliage when you need to reroute your journey urgently. Moreover, the intricate structure of annuities can sometimes obscure the view. The layers of fees associated with variable annuities, for example, can gnaw at your investment's growth, much like invasive roots that hinder a plant's development. The complexity doesn't end there. The tax implications upon withdrawal can also present a thorny path to navigate, potentially impacting the efficiency of your financial strategy. Finally, while annuities offer a safety net against market downturns, this insurance comes at a cost. The caps on earnings in indexed annuities, for instance, may limit the potential growth of your investment, confining the flourishing possibilities of your financial garden to a predetermined plot. Time for the soft question. What concepts of annuities do you like, and why would you take on annuities to consider them to be a part of your financial portfolio? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Please hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.